Do you see it now?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see the message?
I have given you presenter access. Now you are the presenter. I don't see any other.
Yeah. Can you see the message on the bottom of my screen?
Mm-hmm. I cannot. There is no message.
So can you where? So you can't see my screen right now?
No, it's white.
Oh, okay.
It's all blank.
Let me change it. How about now?
Now I can.
Okay.
Now you go to.
Did you see?
Yes, sir.
Do you see the screen on the bottom? The message.
Yeah. I don't. Oh, user ID has been revoked. My God.
And can you record this thing? Oh yeah, it's okay.
Oh, you cannot log on now.
I can log into.
Yes, sir. No. Okay. I'll give you one more ID. Okay.
So does that mean I lost the main program if I can't log into that?
Yeah, your programs are. Did you type any wrong password a couple of times?
No.
Because there is no reason why it gets logged revoked. Because revoke happens, admin will not revoke. Without anything, any such
I
thing.
was working all this morning. I was just typing my program this morning,
Uh-huh.
and I actually have a lot of questions I wanted to show you, but
Okay.
maybe when I rebooted, something happened.
Oh, because even admin has so many IDs. So why would he just select this ID to revoke? Or there might be something going looping in kicks and it revoked the ID. No need to try that. It is revoked. I will get the access reset tomorrow my morning. Uh, Meanwhile, if the document is open, I'll explain you a few concepts. I will give you the password tomorrow when it is reset. I'll give you the password.
Yeah, I open it.
Okay, can you maximize this? Okay, good. I can see. That's okay. Just keep scrolling down through a page. Keep going down. You can keep scrolling down. You will see if anything that I need to that I missed to cover. See, this gives you detail, very nice explanation of basic concepts. What is quasi reentrancy? Yeah, you can. These
Is
are all
is
concepts.
this the book that I bought?
Yes,
I shouldn't have bought it.
you will get it right in a day or two.
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is the linked JCL. Anyway, you have it right. Okay. Come now. Yeah, yeah. Go up, go. Yeah. Handle condition. You come to the left page. I am not able to see properly. Yeah. The handle condition is used to uh, perform the exception handling. For example, when some exception occurs in the Kix programs, what action need to be taken? Or we can direct the program to a particular routine and ask it to perform that routine or whatever action you want to take. See, go maybe scroll to the right. There should be one example. Yeah, yeah. See, this is the uh, syntax. Okay, execx handle condition, your condition name, and error label. You go to the next page. I will show you an example there. He will give an example what a handle condition is. Yeah, to the left one. Yeah. See, in case if there is an error for the length, go to the length error routine. And in case of any other error, you go to the general error routine. So general error routine and length error routines are written within the program. Can you scroll down? Yeah, see, this is an example. Like within the length error routine, you're moving some value to the length variable, and then you are sending the text message, and then you are giving the control back to Kix. It means when some exception occurs, rather than allowing the Kix to terminate abnormally without giving any error message, you are handling that exception through your program, saying that if so and so error occurs, if you expect that so and so error occurs, please go to that routine, print appropriate message, and then come out of the program. That is why RET is having execx return command only, right? If you do not handle this exception, what happens is you need to go to the interactive mode and execute and see what exactly happened to the program. So this way you are forcing the errors and handling them before abnormal termination happens. Fine. Go to the right.
Uh,
Yep.
I have a question about this too much data.
Okay. See. Okay.
Yeah, but is this is only 13 characters. Why is it 14?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, if it is more than 14, it could give problem, but he wants to give 14 and he is sending 13 byte data. That should be okay. Or if you want, you can use the exact. But if it is more, then that's the problem.
So where did you want to go?
Yeah, it just scroll down. Yeah. Next page. What is it he's trying to write? Yeah. One more example. Right? Okay. See, suppose if you are, moving minus to the message length, No? He is taking care of that. Scroll down. Right?
Yeah.
Like this.
Scroll down.
No, you can see the example, right? It's pretty much, explained elaborately. And similar to handle condition, you have something called ignore condition. You go to the right page. When you say ignore, no action will be taken. Oh, yeah, yeah, stay there, stay there. If that whatever condition you specified in the ignore condition occurs, no action will be taken, and the control will go to the next command. The request by the ignore condition command is valid until the subsequent handle condition command for the same condition. So what you are saying is, in a particular paragraph or a particular place in the program, you don't want to handle that condition, but rather go to the next handle condition, and then you want to take care of that error condition. In such case, you can say ignore condition. So even if some error occurs in this kind of thing, ignore and look for, go ahead and see when there is a handle condition for that error, you perform that. When it encounters the handle condition. Go to, yeah, right. No, left, left. Sorry, left side. This is an example. Okay. Here in this example, he is coding kicks ignore condition for length error. Then he is coding kicks exec receive. So after at the execution of receive command, if the length error condition occurs, this will be ignored, and the condition will be passed to the next statement after receive command. Right? The order in which you write the handle condition, ignore condition is same. You write the condition description, then write the kicks command. Here he has written kicks ignore condition followed by kicks receive command. Come down. Once handle condition or ignore condition has been executed for a condition, that specification remains in effect until the program ends or until another handle condition or ignore condition command is executed. So that you need to take care. Otherwise, it will assume the same handle condition till end of the program execution. Or you can end up saying, if you want to end up any handle condition, you can, after some point you can say ignore condition. Fine. So he has given several examples here. Can you go to right? Push and pop are used to suspend and reactivate the handle condition requests which are currently in effect. Suppose you are using a subroutine in which is called by a main routine, then that called program, it can use the push command to temporarily suspend the existing handle condition request. And pop is the other way of push, like it will reactivate the suspended condition. You can come down. He has given an example there, like that. See? See, he has issued a X handle condition, then perform subroutine. There he has used push handle condition. Come down. Yes. Then again one more handle condition. So that is suspended temporarily. The earlier one. Next page.
So
Mm-hmm.
the push suspends and pop reactivates.
Yes. Yes. They are mutually, exclusive. Like they are opposite to each other. Yes. Go to left. He has given the explanation also. Yes. See. Now, whatever is in the main condition, those handle condition temporarily are suspended, and whatever you are coding in the subroutine, they will be in effect. And once you are done with that, you again issue a pop condition. So whatever conditions, handle conditions that are being suspended will be activated. Fine.
Yes.
Now go to the right. Mhm. Okay, go to the left, far away, left page, and come down. Anything more? Yeah, wait.
Are we doing a sample for this?
I see. Writing these conditions is easy, but generating these conditions is very difficult. You can try for length error. I do not have any code as such with exception, but length error is easy to try. But other errors, you need to generate that error and handle it.
Okay.
Now we will talk about no handle and rest. Go to the right page and talk. Right side page. Right side.
Right click.
Yeah, this page top. Go up. There is no handle. Yes. So no handle can be specified in any kicks command. It will cause no action to be taken for any exception condition occurring during execution of this command.
So, Venkat, you wouldn't happen to have some sample pop and push. I think this would have been a good test to code for something.
Actually, this is hard to implement because we need to generate a valid error condition to test the push and pop condition or handle conditions. For simple length routine, it doesn't matter. You can write it, but that will be more, interesting, or you will really know the functionality if you can generate that condition. I'll try to get some, or you can try to see if you can get some real-time code example which uses handle condition, because these conditions have to return in a code which is working for an application. There is no point in writing a small piece of maps and use the handle condition.
Okay.
And RESP is very common actually. This I think you have used in our file programming in the Murak book. If you see, he has used the RESP option. Can you come down? Yeah. So here you will be testing for a particular response code. If response is specified in the command, the no handle option is applied to this command, and the handle condition recursion will have no effect in this case. He has given an example. He should have given an example below in the next page. Try to scroll down. Go to the next page. Yeah, left side, like this. Yeah,
L-
down.
Left, right?
Yeah. Yes. Now see DFH resp length error. Okay, for DFH resp normal, you are performing some routines, right? Now you come to right side. Actually, you know what? Uh, Using handle condition is one way, but actually good practice would be to use resp command, and each particular response which you expect would come, it's better to handle them programmatically. See, for example, if you are working with a file, kicks file, you think that you might get a response of not found, file not found, or invalid request in case of random or dynamic read, or say you know record not found. These kind of things, I mean file not open. So better you specifically handle those response codes in your kicks program. That would be more specific, and you'll have more control on the program. That's why it says, when resp is used, it will ignore that handle condition. And come down. You keep scrolling down. Yeah, come down. Maybe.
Oh, this BLL, this is, are you discussing this too?
No, it is very, okay. Uh, Again, this is something which we are not going to program. But have you gone through this? This very simple description. Okay. You go through that. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Addressing convention used to store address the storage outside the working area storage section of the application program. Base locator for the linkage.
Hmm.
See, these are all a bit, you will get more understanding if you try to write a program, then keep on improving that. It is a bit of more, complicated concepts, like advanced concepts in Kicks, BLL. It is difficult to right away code those kind of programs. He has given an example. If you see, come down. The following page, he has given an example. Yes. But I think you should not worry about these kind of things. As a programmer, you will not be working at this level. Come down. Yeah, that's why these things, we take it up later when you get comfortable with programming. Too many things also, if you try to, assimilate, it will be more confusing. I want you to go to page where keep scrolling. I don't know what sequence the topics are arranged. I don't remember, but
Wait, what?
keep scrolling down. I mean down, down. I want to see all the topics actually. Mm, no, this you skip for now. Come down.
You don't need the CSA, CWA, TCT.
See, because these are not for the basic level of kicks actually. You need a bit of experience to implement these kind of commands. You come down.
So you don't use them. This
No, not right now. We need not try to work with those things. These are not used for in common programs. Come down, execute interface block at the system level. These are all like EAB. I discussed about EAB yesterday. I showed you in the compiler listing, right? What is EAB? It has different fields. One of them is EAB calendar, EAB function code, sorry, EAB date, right? Response code, task number, all of them. And we were using EAB communication area length, which will be 0 at the initiation of the transaction. Come down. Yeah. Yeah. Keep moving down. Come down. Come down. No. I discussed about link and XCTL. What is the difference yesterday? Yeah. Keep scrolling down. Yeah, come down. I'll show you one point here. Slowly you come down. Wait. Okay, come down. You were asking some question. I want to give a detailed answer for that. Yeah, down, down, mm, down, come down. No, see,
Scroll down.
up. Yeah, go up. There is a mention about the return command. Go up,
About what?
up, go up, moving up. About the return statement.
This one?
Wait. Here, see, you are asking, do we need to code the transaction ID when we do a return from a link, right? So actually, you need not write. If none of trans ID, com area, length is specified, and if com area has been passed by the calling program, the return command makes the data in the com area available to the calling program by default, right? That's why I told you. You need not write explicitly. Come down. And no, slowly. There, still
Oh,
the continuation of that. Yes, about that return statement.
oh, okay.
And if the trans ID is used, the specified transaction identifier will be the transaction identifier for the next program to be associated with the terminal. But make sure that that program will be at the highest logical level. Otherwise, you can just pass the com area by default. It will pass the com area value to the calling program when you say return in the called program. It is called using link by the main program. You can come down. Yeah, come down. You can go to the, yeah, you can make it fast. I know what these topics. We already covered like PPT, PCT. See, something like this. You have the definitions in the PCT. See, example of PPT entries in the left page. Okay.
Yes.
We don't have the authority to do that. A system programmer can do that. Yeah, come down. Yeah, he has given examples also. Yeah, you can come down. Let me see. Okay, now we can go to the map chapter where he discusses about the maps actually. Scroll fastly and see what all are covered. Fastly you can scroll. Hmm. Yeah, come down. Yeah, we already discussed what, and we have written a program also using pseudo conversation, right? Yeah, come down, 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 down.
He has several techniques for pseudo conversation.
Yeah, no. He's explaining different scenarios of pseudo conversation, but the concept is pseudo conversation. He is explaining with an example of sending and receiving the text, not map actually. Anyway, we have written one program also for that. I have give you that hands-on no, exercise. That one. Come down, down, down. Mm, yeah, here see he is discussing about file operations in kicks. Down. Here he has mentioned the keyboard. So what is it?
I gave you a keyboard access.
Okay. There is a lot of noise. Yeah. See, actually, this is how you perform read operation. I think you are familiar with KHDS and how to process KHDS files, right?
Uh, I have to review also that.
So in KHDS file, you will have to pass the key value to the key and the value to the key field. Then you perform the read operation in batch cover. Similarly, you have to move the value to the key.
Yes.
Yeah, Brian. I'll just
Yes.
I'll just take 1 minute washroom break and come.
I'm sorry.
I'll take washroom break and come for a minute.
Okay. Because I compiled some questions. I was working on that first program, and I had a problem. I had a program I error.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Let me come back from my bathroom and I'll talk to you.
okay. Okay.
Okay. So you need to move the value to the key field, then you have to issue the kicks read command.
Hello, yes, Venkat.
Yeah.
Venkat? Yes.
So you have to move the value to the key field, then issue the kicks read command. And here, if you see, the, under against dataset, he is giving the kicks file name. You know how the files work in kicks? See, in kicks programs, we use the files which are defined in kicks region with a logical name. See, for example, here the logical name of the file is file AAA, or the logical name of the file can be something like this. Custom. And this file fine,
What?
and RID field is the record field for that KHDS file and the length of the field. He is specifically talking about the KHDS kicks file in this example. Okay. In the Murak book also you will have detailed program also written. I lost the control.
Okay.
Okay. See, the common response codes, the exceptions that you would encounter is duplicate key, not found condition, length error, and so on. And One step that you need to take with update option is when you want to update your kicks file, you have to read the file first with update option. Do you see this here?
Yes.
He has a kicks exec kicks read, and the last statement he has written update. Then following that exec kicks read, you can do an update. So a kicks update should proceed with read with update option. That's the care you need to take when you want to update any kicks file using say rewrite option. Okay. See, that is why I don't want to use my PowerPoint for this, because this book is very self-sufficient. It will give all the examples also.
I had an interview. Can you hold on 1 second?
Okay.
I hold on. Yeah, I had an interview in Bank of America,
Okay.
and they asked me about this mass insert. At that time, I didn't hear about it, so that's why I read about it.
Uh-huh.
So it looks like this is being used by
Okay.
the companies.
Yes, yes. Now see, he has given detailed explanation here. Mass insert is where you insert a bunch of records into the KHDS kicks file. Say, so suppose you know what is the starting record and what is the ending record, and between starting, including starting and ending record, you have say 100 records. You do an insert, mass insert of the records into the KHDS file. He should have given an example also. I'll show you. Yeah. This is very common in real-time environments, mass inserts.
But why do you do a mass insert in CICS? Why don't you just do it in batch?
Because all the updates will not be made in batch actually. Can you see the example? I'll explain you. Wait a while. Mm, Wait, wait.
I was asked about this too, about deadlocks and how would you fix it?
Now, can you go to that page where we have mass insert example? I don't see that. Is this one? Mm,
This is the mass insert.
Example also will be there down. Okay, come down.
Here, mass insert.
Wait, wait, wait. Okay. Yeah, go to mass insert loop. Come down. Right side. An example is there.
No.
Come down. Maybe up only. There only. Near the mass inserts, he should have given one example. Yeah, yeah. Stay there. Stay there. Okay. Here. See here, he has given if record key is less than so and so value, then you go to mass insert loop, where you will be inserting these records. Maybe go to the page up. before this, where he has given the explanation. Yes, right side. Huh. Wait. Yes. Slowly come down. Wait. Come down. Okay. Come down. Left. Come down. Hmm. Slow a bit down. Total 99 records will be written. Come down. Okay. So suppose if you are updating any Kix file and you want to do that update, which will span across a series of your IDs, then you will go with mass inserts rather than writing them individually. Okay. Come down. Okay. Similarly, you can delete also. You can say delete dataset and specify what is the RID field, which is the Kix
You
file.
can delete with the mass option, mass insert. Oh no.
No. We're talking about delete option, where you can.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Come down.
Yeah, I need to be able to code a program. That's the only way I can understand it.
Which one?
I need to code this because I won't be able to understand it. I can read a book, but I.
Actually, see how you will understand these things is when you go to the project. In that programs, you will see these mass inserts, updates, deletes. Then you can understand better because you already know what is the concept. Then see these Kix commands, you will realize only when you have a real-time application working. Then you should develop at least near real-time kind of dummy application. You should be able to develop to do all these kinds of inserts and updates. See in the Murak program which I gave you, he's doing update, delete, dynamic read also in my program which I gave you. I will give you those notepads. You simply upload it to mainframe. I'll show you how to do it. You can run it. You start
Okay.
working with the files. But make sure if your program loops, the problem is that ID gets revoked in Kix because all the whole of the entire Kix region will be blocked. That's why they will revoke it. If any program loops in Kix region, that risk is there.
Mm.
It will occupy the whole of the disk space and no user can log on. That's why they when they notice that they will revoke the ID.
So
Yeah.
can I ask you my questions?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you have your TSO?
My TSO.
Oh, we can log in here with your TSO, right?
Yeah. No, your TSO is not working. You don't have
Yeah. Can you log in with your TSO?
You want my ID?
Oh no, you paste it, so I don't know it.
You want me to log on with my ID?
Yes, I just have. What's your number?
Or I will log on and share my screen.
Oh yes, yes. I have these questions. When I was working today, this morning, I was working on something,
No.
and
Maybe I don't need to log on. Can you show the questions?
no, I think you have to. But
I have to. Let me see the questions.
yeah.
See what kind of questions are there. Okay.
So if you're in TSO, I need to show you what my questions were.
Okay. Okay. No. There are some questions specific to my program. Okay, how to check the map set in the PPT? Can we see RR and RBA in VSAM file? In read dataset, there is only RR and RBA. How about KSDS? Mass insert in DB2. Okay. Now map generator. We have it. Usually we use some tool for map generations, SDF tool that we do not have. Some clients use the tool. Using that, you need not have to write the lengthy macro definition of maps, map set, map and all. It will generate it for you and create the maps. Okay. Once you use TDQ and TSQ, we will cover that because I think now the time is running up. Tomorrow we'll finish the TDQ and TSQ and return code in outlist. What is outlist? What outlist is that you're talking about?
Um, yeah. So if can you log into TSO? I can show you.
Okay.
You want to log into here? That way.
Wait. Anyway, I opened. Let me log on.
You'll open on yours.
Yeah. I will open.
Okay. Because I was having a hard time navigating, so I just have some questions.
But you need to wait for a bit. Let me open, then I'll share my screen. Are you getting late? You need to get your daughter?
Oh no, I don't have to. My wife came, so.
Okay.
If it takes time for you to bring it on, do you want to log into my computer? My session, TSO.
If it takes long, I think I should do that.
Because I already have this up, so you can just plug in. Oh, and Venkat, if I know you're giving me a copy of the book, I wouldn't have bought it.
Which book?
That Kugayama book.
That is what I gave you, right?
Yeah, you gave me, but I shouldn't have bought it if you were gonna give me.
No, better keep a hard copy. This is scan one, right?
Because I already have the Miura. That way, I just need a soft copy for Kugayama.
No, but maybe yours is a latest edition of Kageyama, right? This is a very old one. I don't know in what all changes are there in new edition.
Oh, so do you want to log into my TSO?
I am about to log in. I'm done with login.
Oh, it's already okay.
And I think, even I need to get up early tomorrow. That is my problem. There is some assessment that I need to conduct early in the morning. I need to be there by 8:30.
I'm sorry.
Actually, I need to be at 8:30 in my office tomorrow. I need to conduct an assessment.
Oh, okay, okay,
So I will see. I'll quickly glance through a few questions, and tomorrow we'll discuss
okay.
in detail.
So you want to do tomorrow?
Uh, at least let me answer few questions.
You want to answer now or?
Yeah, yeah. If I cannot log on, I am. It is open. My screen is open. Okay. This go to meeting. That icon went off. Is there any way you can send me a request to make me presenter? Why this icon has gone away? Go to meeting icon.
No, you are the presenter and organizer.
Hmm.
That's okay. Let's do it tomorrow.
No, but wait. Let me see. I need to end the meeting also.
Uh,
I don't
so
see
what's missing?
that go to meeting window has suddenly disappeared actually.
Can you do? Can you press Alt tab?
Press what?
Alt tab. Alt
Alt tab.
tab.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it is not there in that
Uh,
list of the screens.
that's okay. I'll leave now.
I'll recording also, right? I'm recording also. So
Yeah, yeah.
I think if you end the meeting also, that recording should be available.
Okay. I'll close it. Okay.